Deetle, deetle, dink, 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 deetle, dee. I won't remove the releases off the seat. Give me a deetle, deetle, deetle. Give me a dink, 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 dink. Give me a D, D, D. Deetle, 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 dink, 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 deetle. Won't remove the releases off the seat. Deetle, deetle, dink, 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 deetle, D. Won't remove the releases off the seat. Those releases don't belong to me.
What does all of this mean? What do you mean by deedle deedle dank 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 deedle dee? What does that mean? Otto, I am so glad that you asked. The meaning of deedle deedle dank 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 deedle dee is... I did not quite get that. Would you please repeat? I don't understand why you didn't hear that. I'm not going to repeat myself. Maybe it's not meant to be understood. Maybe there was some kind of divine intervention. What do you think?